Gotta get ourselves a donkey, Jim Bob. Barra Blue fishing charters. Finniss River, freshwater side. We had the family up from Victoria, so thought we'll treat ourselves to a bit of a fishing adventure. So yeah, they've never been up to the NT before, never caught a barra. We're in the heavily crocodile infested Finniss River on the freshwater side. Then we're going to go hit up a saltwater creek as well. So got my stepdad over there who's watering the plants. Uncle Jim Bob, who decided to break his arm a day before he came to Darwin. But still going to give it a crack. Look at this. This is a bloody cracker. This is a good land-based spot. You just flick this little mouth here.
Yeah, someone has been flicking, see?
Oh, Jesus. Happy days. Very excited. You excited?
Yeah.
Me too. Taxi. Oh man, the excitement, the adrenaline.
The adrenaline.
Nice and shady too. You got this, Ash? My stepdad's name's Ash too. It is what it is. Not even excited. No one's here. No, no. Middle of nowhere, bro.
There's no way.
It's a baby little crocodile. It's kicking around over there. He's real small. Unfortunately, we didn't really have much luck fishing on the Finniss River. But what a spot. What a cracking morning. Pretty lucky to see a couple of the locals hanging around too. It's the little baby. See you later.
Yeah, he's gone.
That's his bank. Rightio, so we've been flicking around this freshwater river for a couple of hours, but no luck on the Barra. So the Barra hunt continues. But it was a beautiful river just to go for a bit of a cruise on. Seen a couple of crocodiles, so that was awesome. And definitely not complaining. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the boat out and we're gonna hit up a saltwater creek. So a bit of change of scenery. And yeah, let's see how we go. All I see is mud crabs. I'm gonna send it. Stichosaurus.
Bob.
First fish of the trip. Beautiful. That's his first fish.
Good work, bro.
Little goldie.
What's that in? Snapper.
Golden snapper, yeah.
You better get a photo of that, Ash. It might be the only fish you get.
I'll hold it further away so it looks bigger.
Yeah.
We'll zoom in so it looks bigger. There we go.
Give it a release. They're grass looking fish.
You don't get them in anymore, eh?
Yeah.
Gentle balls.
Come on. Oh, he's running line.
Gentle balls, alright?
Ginger pools.
You ready? Soft, yeah.
Gentle balls, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, happy pal.
You beauty.
Good work.
Happy days, bruv. Perfect eating size.
Yeah.
Good man. Okay.
Get the nose right on the
No, there you go.
67.
67, bro.
67. Happy days. Big eat.
Nice with me, bro.
Jim Bob's on. That's a nice little bass dog too.
Attention up, James.
Yes. Happy days. Phew. Uncle Jim Bob in with the goods.
Open your barrel, bro.
High five. Happy bloody days.
Happy days. That's right, man.
He's got a broken arm as well, and he pulls in the barrel. Oh, we're on another hookup. You're gonna have to watch your back, James. I think this is a bit of a
Keep
donkey.
the line tight, bro. Keep the line tight.
Yep.
No.
Oh, yep. I'm with you.
Triple hookup. Well, not triple, but yes. You beauty.
Good work.
How good's that? Two on the deck.
Open the barrel. Good work.
How good is that?
Bloody ripper.
High five skis.
Yeah, well done. That's sick.
Little souvenir.
Oh, get back here, young fella.
I filmed it for you, Mark, so you Mrs. knows it.
Honey Jim Bob.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, mate. Come up to the NT to catch a barra, and it's exactly what you do.
Fuck's sake. What was that first cast?
Dude, that's a donker.
Good barra.
Yeah, dude.
I've got it on. I can't pull so hard. Yeah.
Yo, you've got that, dude. That's legal too. Jim Bob on again.
Good fish. Keep that fish, bro.
That might be just illegal, Jim Bob. Yes.
Good work, bro.
Happy days.
Freeze ball.
Alright. Freeze ball.
Yep. Yeah,
Oh, you beauty, James. That's a legal barra.
See on a YouTube video, watch your fishing shows. Help me, mate.
Happy bloody days.
Yeah.
Dude, you just caught a legal barra. Sorry
What
about
you got to say to
I'm
your
way
fans,
too
James?
enthusiastic.
Hey, Mark's got that.
Good work, bro.
That is sick, dude.
That was almost too easy, wasn't it?
A couple of barras with a broken arm, mate.
Yeah, I was feeling pretty fucking good. 2 barras.
You're not allowed to swear.
Big start. Start that again. There you go.
A couple of barras with a broken arm.
I'm feeling bloody ripping, mate. That was fantastic.
On to the next spot.
There's no actually.
An impact.
Who's on?
Mark is.
Yes.
Oh.
Happy days. That's an upgrade.
Good work, bro.
Ripper.
Beautiful. What's that? It's a 55 or something, eh? Good work.
Awesome.
Showing us. Pressure's on.
I think he's pushing 60.
I reckon he's 60.
Hang on, 60.
That's sick, bro.
Work it.
Ever spot a crop on there?
Yeah.
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 It must look amazing.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool, like.
You think you'll see them heaps? You think they'll come up?
Done.
You on?
Nothing big, I don't think.
Happy days.
Is your draglets?
Hopefully it's not a cod. Oh, it's a little.
It's a jack.
Oh, you're kidding. Little mangrove jackie. They're a mad looking little fish, eh?
No size limit for Darwin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just
Beautiful.
small. Barra or jack? Cod.
Cod. Go away, cod. Happy days. Oh, he's on! He's on! Pull him wide! Pull him wide! Happy days. It's not a bad size, is it?
Good.
Little silver banger. Yay!
Good on you, mate.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Happy days.
It's a dream work. Look at that.
First Barramundi, eh? Couple of days in the territory.
First one landed.
Happy days.
G'day.
Happy bloody days. It's a chunky little fella, isn't he? Beautiful.
How big is he? Too small. Oh, yeah.
Too small.
Just a nice. The ice, man. I think red.
You seen barras before?
Not as good as that.
I won't keep getting this, never give in this, never give in. Do it again. I won't keep